know it's been a while. I'm just about to make a start on my daily runner. Exhaust's getting worse and it's kind of doing me head in now, so yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if I'm just gonna have a look at where the hole is, or if I'm gonna be trying to do a repair, but yeah, stay with me. Cue the music. Right, so I'm going to do a little check on the exhaust because I think there's either one, possibly 2 or 3 holes in the exhaust, and it's getting quite loud now. So yeah, I'm going to slide it underneath the car and see if you can see where the problem's coming from. Right. Mike, can I lend you, lad? Right, if these are not to bother. Don't know if you can see it. That's split quite bad. That's where the noise is coming from. Right, so I'm now on my way home. That didn't go to plan at all. I probably will still just do a little bit of a box repair on it for now, just to quieten down the exhaust a bit. But I thought the hole was on the pipe itself. From what I can see, I don't know if you could see it on the video, the cat's got a bit of a split in it. So that's where all the noise is coming from. I mean, it does need another exhaust regardless. I would like a stainless steel back box. Sticks out at the back of the bumper rather than be hidden. I think it'd just look nicer. But we'll see. A little bit of body work needs to be repaired as well. Literally just noticed just now. And I've also just noticed as well the little headlight lens cover thing is either snapped off or just popped off, so yeah, I need a new headlight as well. So I don't know, is it really worth doing all these jobs, because I am only keeping it for another possibly 12 months. Although I would like to take this and Bertha together to a classic car show, sort of like saloon and estate in sort of convoy, but we'll see. But yeah, on my way home, and I'll catch you when I get home. Gotta go and do a bit of shopping first, and then I'll jack the car up and do that repair that I was supposed to do just now. Don't know why I didn't just do it, to be honest, but yeah, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Right, so it's a couple of days later. Completely forgot to do the rest of the video when I got home, and I've been really busy. But yeah, the weather's been absolutely glorious the last couple of days, so can't complain. But yeah, I'm just going to show you something. I've repaired the exhaust. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see that. It is only a temporary repair because I'm going to get a cap back, possibly. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be blowing or nothing anymore. You may be upside down for this part of the video, I don't know. There's still a little bit of a blowing, but I don't know. It's a lot quieter than it was for now. So yeah. Right, I'm going to show you a little bit of a fleet update, and then we'll go from there. Right, so as you know, this is sort of going through a little bit of repairs at the minute. The exhaust definitely getting replaced at some point. Think about it, I may upgrade it to an Akrapovic exhaust. I don't know, because it's money spending on a car that I may only keep for another 12 months. Pardon. The shockeys all desperately need changing, because as you drive along it's squeaking like pardon my language. Oh, and the brakes are squealing as well, really bad. So they're the 3 jobs that need doing on this. This still hasn't been sold, so if anyone's interested, give me a message or whatever on the Facebook page, and we'll see where we go. That's getting swapped soon to be put here, because this isn't going on the road anytime soon, and the Matiz does get used now and then. Now the story with this, I want to crack on and get this done sooner rather than later, because I would like to take this and that to classic car shows in convoy, sort of like a estate and saloon convoy. But yeah, we'll see. That's all I can really tell you. Sorry about the grass, it's been looking terrible. That's because we parked the Matiz on here and it was all muddy. But again, a little bit of a terrible video, not much I can really tell you at the minute. All shadowy right now. Very nice sunset that. I'd like to be by the beach at the minute. But yeah, again, it is a bit of a bad video. I will get into some more longer videos at some point when I've got more time on my hands. When that'll be, don't know. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. Well, thanks for watching. Please continue to support us. I know it's a long slog and blah blah blah, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Maybe sending out some merchandise soon. This t-shirt is part of what will be the design. We'll see. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Right, so I ended the video there, and I don't know why, because I was supposed to mention that at the end of the video there's going to be a bit of bonus footage of an old fleet member that never got the chance to go on the channel because it was wrote off. But I've been given the permission via Hubnut on YouTube to use some of his footage, because this car in question actually did feature on his channel. So I've been given permission to use his footage at the end of this video, so that that car will feature on our channel. It's only about a minute long, but yeah, fond memories is all I'm gonna say. Yeah, there's not many of them on the road now. Apparently, this precise car, there's only 5 or 6 of them left on the road. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully we'll get some more videos going now that the weather's warming up, and got some other things going on. I think, as I said, I'm gonna get a cat back for my daily runner. But then again, I don't know. I don't know how to buy the midsection separately, because I've already found a back box that's a bit of an upgrade. It sticks out to the back of the car rather than be hidden. Yep. Yeah. Hello, sausage. Yeah, so gotta look into that. Definitely need a full set of shockies, because sometimes. What do you want? Go for a walk soon, okay? Yeah, when you drive along, sometimes the car is squeaking. What? Squeaks and squeaks and squeaks, and sometimes it'll be quiet, and then other times the back shockies will start squeaking again. So clearly they need changing. Plus they're quite soft as well. My biggest complaint at the moment is it doesn't matter how many traffic lights I stop at, or how many junctions or roundabouts or whatever, them brakes squeal every single time, and it's annoying, because it's squeaking that loud that it sounds like a bus or a lorry or something. It's really annoying. You can hear me coming from a mile away. Shockies, brakes, exhaust. I am going to repair the remote locking on that car soon, because I'm fed up of having to put the key in the door to unlock it. So I'm going to get the remote locking fixed. The Matiz recently had, I think I may have already put this on the channel. We went out for a little bit of a drive in the Matiz, and the car just died. It turned out to be the alternator, which is kind of funny, because when the car was first purchased, I did say, I think the alternator's going on this, because it was screaming when the engine was idling. So that's been done now. It's also got a new battery on it. It needs 2 new front wishbones, and then I think that's it. Then he's going to crack on, get the window tint done. He wants to upgrade his radio and the rear speakers, because one of the rear speakers is slightly crackly, and then that's all he's doing to his car then. The CC, I am genuinely trying my best to sell it, but people are saying I've got too high a mileage on it. So I'm going to drop the price a little bit and just try and get a quick sale on it. I'm not willing to accept anything less than, I don't about £2 grand. If not, I'll just keep it, run it into the ground. The borer, Alberta, I don't know, she's not too bad. The interior needs a good revamp. I've been quoted £200 for a new roof lining, so at some point I'm going to do that. The electrics need a bit of an overhaul, but not too bad. Mainly the driver's door, the central locking works, but the driver's door doesn't. I've got to do that manually by putting the key in the door. Yeah, the brake's a little bit sticky, but that's because it's just sat there, so that'll clean itself up when it's ready for the road. Engine's running fine. Yeah, the borer's not too bad. It's just, as I said, the interior needs a bit of a revamp. Brakes need a bit of a clean before it goes on the road. Central locker needs a bit of a repair. And then once all them things are done, I'm going to save up and get the whole car resprayed and get the windows tinted. And that's all I can really tell you at the moment. The bike's out there, but one of my friends is due to buy that off me, so I'll be gone soon. But yeah, that's all I can really tell you right now. Again, it's a really poor video, and that's simply because I've not really got into video at the minute. I am going out with the dog soon, but that's on a walk, it's not in the car, it's not automotive, it's pointless putting it on the channel. So yeah. If you want to see that Forgotten Fleet member, stay tuned, because it is coming up after this. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I have no idea when, but yeah. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
I had been alerted that there might be something a bit special lurking in this car park, and I'm not on about the Ferrari. No, look, there's a copper orange Daewoo Matiz over there. There's an old motorbike of some sort. Look at that. I so nearly bought a copper orange Matiz, but I went for cobalt blue instead. This one's got sporty smoked indicators. I quite like those. Made in Poland, as were many a Matiz. Now, this is the SE Plus, which means you get a rear spoiler, means you get the tiny little free spoke alloys. I see it's got the same rot problems on the silver Myrtle's got, and you got electric windows and central locking. So that's very jolly to see.